called it the flying tank. Enemies on the battlefield knew its terrifying roar before they ever saw it. But just when the world thought the A-10 Warthog was being retired for good, the United States Air Force dropped a bombshell, literally and figuratively. The A-10 isn't just back, it's upgraded, rear-armed, and more lethal than ever. This iconic close air support aircraft, long loved by troops and feared by adversaries, has just received a cutting-edge upgrade package that shocked the world. With new avionics, weapons, survivability systems, and extended service life, the A-10 Thunderbolt II is no longer just a relic of the Cold War. It's now a futuristic war machine ready for the conflicts of tomorrow. The legend lives on. The A-10 Thunderbolt II, affectionately known as the Warthog, was originally introduced in the 1970s to provide close air support to ground forces. With its titanium armor, twin engines, and infamous GAU-8/A Avenger cannon, the A-10 became a symbol of American battlefield dominance. Over the decades, it has proven its worth in Iraq, Afghanistan, and Syria, often flying low and slow to deliver precision firepower where it's needed most. But with the rise of stealth fighters and drones, many believed the A-10's time had come. Several defense proposals over the years aimed to retire the aircraft entirely. What happened next stunned everyone. Due to overwhelming support from ground troops and battlefield commanders, the Air Force not only kept the A-10, they upgraded it. In 2024 and 2025, a series of new enhancements gave the Warthog a fresh lease on life. This wasn't just a tune-up, it was a transformation, and what emerged from the hangar floors was a shockingly advanced close air support beast ready to dominate the skies once more. The upgrade package. What changed? The new A-10 upgrade package is officially known as the A-10 Common Fleet Initiative. Under this program, more than 200 A-10s received upgraded wings, new avionics systems, and improved weapon integration. The centerpiece of the upgrade is the Advanced Targeting Pod, ATP, and improved heads-up display, HUD, which drastically enhance pilot situational awareness. Another major enhancement is the integration of Link 16. A data-sharing network that allows the A-10 to operate seamlessly with F-35s, drones, and ground forces. The Warthog isn't just a standalone unit, it's part of a connected, real-time battlefield ecosystem. Pilots can receive mission updates, target changes, and threat alerts instantly. The aircraft also received cockpit modernization with digital flight instruments, satellite communications, and improved threat detection systems. These upgrades make the A-10 not only more powerful, but also more survivable in modern combat zones where electronic warfare and GPS jamming are common. Firepower redefined. The A-10 is best known for its monstrous 30mm GAU-8/A Avenger cannon, the deadliest gun ever mounted on an aircraft. Capable of firing 3,900 rounds per minute, the gun is designed to shred tanks, armored vehicles, and hardened positions. This legendary weapon remains untouched in the new upgrade. The upgraded A-10 can now carry and deploy Joint Direct Attack Munitions, JDAMs, laser-guided bombs, and the new Small Diameter Bomb 2, SDB-2. These weapons allow it to strike multiple targets with pinpoint accuracy, even in bad weather or contested environments. The aircraft now supports the AGR-20 Advanced Precision Kill Weapon System, APKWS, laser-guided rockets that provide a lightweight, cost-sophistical option for engaging lightly armored vehicles and enemy personnel. The Warthog is now a flying tank with sniper-level precision, survivability, and durability. The A-10 has always been famous for its survivability. Its cockpit is wrapped in a titanium bathtub to protect the pilot, and its systems are redundant, allowing it to keep flying even after taking heavy damage. These traits made it beloved by ground troops and a nightmare for enemies. With the latest upgrades, its survivability has been pushed to a new level. New defensive electronic warfare suites can detect and jam incoming threats. Enhanced flares and chaff systems improve protection against infrared and radar-guided missiles. Meanwhile, improved armor plating on key systems means the A-10 can absorb even more punishment. It's no longer just a rugged plane, it's a survivability champion. Recent training simulations showed the upgraded Warthog surviving and completing missions even in heavily contested airspace, which was previously thought to be the end of the A-10's operational viability. Flight performance and mission versatility. Though not built for speed, the A-10 is built for control, loiter time, and agility at low altitudes. These traits have not changed. What's improved is how it handles under pressure. With modern flight control software updates and aerodynamic refinements, pilots report better handling, especially during terrain-hugging runs. The A-10's ability to fly low and slow remains key to its effectiveness. Ground forces need eyes in the sky that can linger, observe, and deliver support in real time. With new sensors, upgraded optics, and data link integration, the A-10 now does this better than ever before. Beyond traditional roles, the A-10 has been adapted for new missions. These include search and rescue escort, anti-drone operations, and even humanitarian aid drops in war zones. Its rugged landing gear also allows it to operate from austere airfields close to the front lines, something few other jets can do. Cost efficiency and operational value. One of the biggest arguments for the A-10's retention is cost. Flying an A-10 costs around $20,000, 0 cents per hour, far cheaper than the F-35's $44,000, 0 cents per hour. Despite its age, the upgraded A-10 delivers immense value in terms of capability per dollar spent. Not only does it carry a massive payload, but it does so with minimal maintenance and high sortie rates. It can turn around between missions quickly thanks to its simple airframe and accessible systems. For prolonged ground engagements, this makes it irreplaceable. While high-tech stealth jets dominate headlines, commanders know that war isn't always fought from 50,000 feet with billion-dollar planes. Sometimes you need a reliable, rugged aircraft that can bring the pain to the enemy fast, loud, and low. That's the Warthog's specialty, real-world combat relevance. With rising global tensions, from Eastern Europe to the Pacific, the A-10's role is as relevant as ever. Military analysts believe that should the U.S. be involved in a high-intensity conflict, like a Taiwan scenario or further escalation in Ukraine, close air support will be critical. In simulated war games and joint exercises, the upgraded A-10 performed exceptionally in mixed-unit scenarios. Its ability to coordinate with drones, target small vehicles, and provide overwatch made it an asset in both offensive and defensive operations. In the Middle East, where small unit warfare and insurgent tactics dominate, the A-10 remains the most requested air support asset by troops. Its unmistakable sound and presence in the sky often serve as a psychological weapon as much as a physical one. Pilot and ground troop reaction. Ask any ground soldier who's fought under the A-10's protective wings, and you'll hear stories of salvation. The Warthog is affectionately called the grunt angel because it shows up when things get bad and makes them better. Pilots also have deep affection for the A-10. Known for its stable handling, reliable systems, and low-level maneuverability, it offers a level of control and precision few other aircraft can match. Many describe flying it as being part of the battlefield, not just above it. With the new upgrades, both pilots and troops are confident the A-10 remains unmatched in its mission. It isn't flashy, it isn't stealthy, but it's deadly, dependable, and deeply respected by those who rely on it most. The upgraded A-10 Warthog isn't a relic, it's a revelation. Against all odds and despite political and budgetary challenges, this aircraft has re-emerged as a modern warfighting powerhouse. With upgraded firepower, advanced targeting, and unmatched toughness, it is more dangerous now than ever. For enemies of the United States, this should be a wake-up call. The Warthog still flies, and when it does, it brings hell with it. So here is the question from you. What do you think? Should the A-10 remain a permanent part of the U.S. arsenal, or is it time to move on to next-gen platforms? If this breakdown shocked you like it shocked the world, like, share, and subscribe for more elite-level insights into military power.